Costa Rica time, baby. I got my stuff. Right now, I'm heading toward my gate. I'm bringing so much stuff. I've never packed this much. I'm literally, you'll see why, but I had to bring 3 rods, a hell of a lot of lures, a tent, sleeping bag, but it's gonna be awesome. I'm ready. There's my plane, baby. Gracias. Gracias, gracias. Con gusto, bienvenido. Gracias. Gracias, gracias. Con gusto. El otro lado. Gracias. We finally made it. Like 3 planes, motorcycle, everything. We finally made it. I don't have all my luggage, so the rods made it, but a bunch of the luggage, they said they couldn't fit it on the plane because you saw the size of that thing. So it'll be here tomorrow morning. Unfortunately, all my clothes, all the lures, basically everything is in there. My tent, that's the most important thing. My tent was in there, so that's where I was gonna sleep tonight. But I'm gonna sleep here instead. Hopefully you remember Tony, we were fishing last year, and so he let me stay at his house. And we're gonna be fishing again this year. So super excited, so stoked to be here. I got here January 30th last year, and I was here for a couple months. So super good to be back. Yeah, it's like heart opening. So for today, I'm not gonna do any fishing. The sun's gone down. I think we'll just have a quiet night, and then tomorrow, bright and early, kayaks, roosterfish, jacks, mahi, mackerel, madness, all of that. So, see you then. We decided to try some fishing before tomorrow. It's about 8 p.m. Good morning. It is 5:30 in the morning, and we're going fishing, baby. So Tosh is about to pick me up. We're just waiting for him right now. That's a scarlet macaw right there on top of that tree. But they were just flying around. I tried to whip out my phone fast enough to get them. They perched on that tree, but there's a bunch of them. And check it out. We're ready to go again. Got the kayaks out here, and we're gonna launch into the Golfo Dulce. So after a long travel, we're finally fishing, and I'm back out here with Tosh. So We're gonna try to catch some big fish from the kayaks today. So my bags yesterday did not make it all the way here. So I am currently without a bunch of rods or clothes or lures or glasses. So I'm wearing Tosh's shirt right now. Right now we're just paddling out. We're gonna see if we can get some bait and then maybe jig something up and use the live bait to see what's up. I can see some dolphins over there right now, and they've been catching some mahi out here because the water is clear, which is a fish I really want to catch on the kayak. And last time we hooked one like 4 times and it spit the hook on us 4 times. But that's about it. It's the high tide right now, and it's probably around 6 something in the morning. So you can see a nice little herring hooked through the nose. Gonna let it swim out behind the kayak, and I'll let it swim out a good amount here. So you can see that thing is going, taking some line. I just don't want anything to get spooked by the kayak basically. Once it's about 20-30 yards back there, I'll close it up. And this is promising. Seeing your live bait go like that, this lively, that's very nice. I'm gonna close the bail up, and then this reel has a live liner on, so there's this flip over here, so I'm gonna flip it, and that's gonna let, if a fish takes it, look, no resistance, and then once I reel, that flip flips once more, and now the drag is set. I'm gonna set it nice and tight, so that I got a circle hook, so really I just have to reel into these fish. Let's see if something wants to take our bait. Meanwhile, I'll probably just keep jigging. Jesus Christ. Oh, what the hell? What the hell was that? Oh my God. Well, there's no way my bait is still on here. It literally almost just took the rod out of the holder. Oh my God. Mackerel. Mackerel! I got sawed off! Jesus Christ, that was a big mackerel though. Look at this. So it took it all. You can see, completely took the hook, frayed the leader. Classic mackerel. That scared the hell out of me. That literally almost took my rod in the water. All right, I'm gonna put something else on here. Whew. Well, that was something. Look at that. Bada boom, bada bam. Frigate bird. So those birds are actually really cool. They do kleptoparasitism. They're actually basically pirates because they don't have enough oil on their wings to actually dive into the water. So their wings are not waterproof. But what they will do is they'll steal eggs from other birds' nests and they'll steal their food. Look at that, we got dolphins right here, right over there. Nice bottlenose dolphins. That's a good sign. Look at that, beautiful. So after you see that tail, usually means they dove. So he probably won't come up for a bit. GoPro, start recording. Yeah, you see that? On the drop. And this is gonna be a mackerel, I think. On the drop, basically, my line, ooh, just bit me off. Or just got off. My line started speeding up on the way down, and I just closed the bail to set the hook. Yeah, that's a mackerel. Damn, just lost a mackerel, because look, bit me off. Nothing, no jig for me. Okay, well, I'm gonna go put another jig on here. We'll keep jigging. Damn, I want a mackerel. That is, whatever mackerel I catch, that's gonna be my lunch, because as of right now, your man's got no food. So while we wait for these fish to hit, let me just tell you a bit about where I am. So I'm in Costa Rica, Osa Peninsula. Puerto Jiménez is the name of the town. And it's basically southwestern Costa Rica, right by the border with Panama. I spent a couple months here last year, and it was amazing. I fished, so much fish. The people in this town are amazing. But yeah, basically, open ocean is over that way, and then the Gulf kind of goes in over there, and that's where it ends. But it's a big, deep gulf with so much wildlife in it, not just fish. So just jigging away for now and enjoying this place as much as I can before I have to go back and start school again in minus 10-degree weather. First fish of the morning on the live bait right there. Let's see. And you can see he's towing both of us right now, and it feels like a good fish. It's been slow. We've just kept getting broken off by mackerels. They're broken off the jigs, the hooks. Tosh is basically out of leaders. The drag set pretty nice and tight, and he was taking a lot of line right when we hooked him. So it should have tired a bit, but it's still a heavy fish. There you go. You can see I'm just pumping up and reeling down. Basically just get the fish's head up a bit, because when it's aimed down, that's when it has a lot more strength. But if his head is up, you can gain on him quite a bit. And this is probably either a rooster fish or a jack. Last time I was here, the jacks tended to take much more time to reel in, and you could feel much more head shakes with the jacks, but never know. So the setup is simple. It's literally, he's got 30-pound line on here, then going to 40-pound fluoro leader, and then the circle hook, probably 4 or 5 odd. And that circle hook's nice because with these big fish, you don't want to gut hook them, especially if you're not going to eat a fish. So the circle hook just makes sure it gets it just on the corner of the mouth. Makes for a much quicker and safer release for the fish, and also for you, because you don't have to go stick your hand elbow deep in a fish's mouth. There you go. Barracuda? Oh, nice. That's a good one. Yeah, and this fish is just kind of chugging along. I feel like it's a jack. The head shakes, plus the roosters last time sort of ran and then you'd pull them in, and then they run again, you pull them in. But jack seems to be much more of a consistent fighter, just like a little submarine. Chugs along and it's hard to gain on him. My money is on jack. Oh, thank you.
Not like the fish is going anywhere.
That was good. 30 feet? Alright. He's spinning us around a bit. That's nice. There we go, come on. Maybe we'll see him soon. Look at that dolphin. See him?
No. Oh, yeah.
Jack? Yeah. It's a jack. See, Tosh is gonna... Yeah, oh, there you go. That's a good jack. Those jacks are little tanks. Look at them. We're just gonna let him do these little circles and slowly pull him up. Beautiful, beautiful jack. First fish of the day. First big fish of 2022. One of the coolest fish out here and strongest fighting. So gonna get him in the water. Does about a 20-minute fight, and just super, super nice, powerful fish. Jack Crevalle. So let's get him revived a little bit. And he looks actually about ready. So there you go. He's off. Live bait back out. And I'm gonna get back to doing some jigging while we wait for fish number 2. GoPro, start recording. I think that was a mackerel. Yeah, watch. Look at this. You see this fish? That was not like that when I threw it in the water. That's no good. Gotta get a fresh live bait on here. Yeah. Nice. All right, look, here's a little barracuda. These guys have some good teeth. Man, get a look at this. So they get a lot bigger. They do get a lot bigger, but this is a little one. See him off. All right, we are back on. There we go, good fish. Hooked back up. And on the live bait once more. You can see he's taking some line. There you go. Nice little head shakes here from this guy.
That's the rest of my leader.
That's it?
Yeah.
And we're out of leaders, so hopefully these mackerel just go for the hooks now. Oof. Yeah, this is a good fish. I can't gain on him. He's just taking. Could be another jack. Those things are just so strong. Oof, nothing to do here. Nice big head shake right there. This totally could be a jack. Yeah, those are head shakes. Oh, everything I just gained, he just took. Oh, oh, got angry. Oh, you see that? Bunch of, yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah, mullet jumping. Roosters love mullet. Thanks.
You gotta look at him.
Yeah, oh, that's a rooster. Oh. Nothing to do but let this guy run right now. But looks like there's some rooster fish blowing up on some mullet over there. Oh, I see him. He's here. I think he's a jack. I just saw a big shiny thing. Pretty sure it's a jack. Yeah, that's a jack. Second jack of the day if we can land it. Whew. You good?
Ow. Didn't realize there was a hole in the glove.
Damn. Well, was that the hook?
That was teeth.
Oh shit. Alrighty. There we go. You're released. Jack number 2. Nearly took Tosh's thumb, but we got him. There we go. On the way down, and I just closed the bail and set the hook. Here's a barracuda. Wow, barracuda. Say bye. All right. Back to business. Yeah, that was something.
I still didn't hook him.
Yeah. Oh, come on. What's happening? Tosh just got hit. I just got hit. Could have been a mackerel. Let's see. I'll leave it out there. There we go. On the jig. Okay. GoPro, start recording. Oh, come on. There we go. Yeah, it's on. Something's on, yeah. Oh, big barracuda. All right. Yeah. Damn. That's not what I was expecting. And I had a fish on the jig, so we can see if the thing is still on there. Are we still on the jig? and make sure Barracuda doesn't take my foot off. Now, well, we lost the one on the jig, but this is tasty. I'm gonna take this Barracuda home. Gonna be lunch. You can see it's got some pretty gnarly teeth out there, so beware. One of the many nice things about these big kayaks is you can stand up, so your butt starts itching. You can get up and jig for a while, and it's just so nice because I'm just standing out here, Osa Peninsula, jigging up some fish, seeing a lot of bait still. But where are my mackerel at? Where are my mackerel at?
I think we had a lot of rooster bites from the beach, but they were smaller.
Oof.
Rooster bites from the beach, but they were smaller.
Oof. Oh my god. Nearly took the rod in the water. I don't know what that was. Let's see if it comes back. I can still feel my bait on there. But you see that? I was about to lose my rod. I keep getting hits like that nearly take the rod in the water. And then nothing. Okay. Come on. I literally released that bait and right away. Oh yeah, okay. I think it got hit. That was not like that when I found it. GoPro, start recording. There we go. 1, 2. There's a fish. Come on. What? What the hell? What is happening today? I keep sort of getting fish and not hooking them, but I'm getting such good bites. That was a great, I thought this was it right now. He was taking, and he just dropped it. Yeah, I got no hook, and the whole leader is frayed. Oh, another mackerel. There we go. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. Okay, there you go. Bit on the way down. Just felt my line start to go out very fast. Oh, this actually...
Something ate it?
No, this is good though. All right. Something ate it? Oh, jeez. All right. Woo! Okay, I think what happened is I had a fish on the jig right now and something just ate it. Oh boy. Okay, I need to tighten my drag a bit because we could get spooled here. All right. Sleigh ride. You're on too? All right, Tosh is on too. Double up. Look at this. This is epic. Double on right now, standing on this thing. Whatever the heck hit just did so on a jig, basically. Let me see if I don't get spooled, dude. There's just not much I can do. Just gotta make sure that drag is decently tight so we don't run out of line. We sort of think I have a rooster. It's been happening that you hook something and the rooster comes and eats it. But I have a live bait out right now that I guess I'm also trolling as I do this. So we could get double up, which would be interesting. You're about to see me land a big fish on some light tackle, baby. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at Tosh over there. Nice. Hey, it looks like we got motorized kayaks. It looks like I'm getting on this guy. So I'm gonna loosen the drag a bit because I had it pretty tight. I didn't want to get spooled. And just perfectly on cue, we got the dolphins, which should pop up over here. Yeah, look at that. The rooster fish sleigh ride with the dolphins. Oh my lord. Lordy lordy. This is nice. Look at that. Wow. That's a good boy. Ho ho ho, baby. Absolute sleigh ride. We're pretty far from where we started. Oh, it's a jack. Damn, I caught up with it pretty fast. I'm not gonna lie. This is not bad for having this rod. That was a pretty quick fight. Whoa. Third jack of the day. I got a jack! Oh, Tosh got a jack too. Damn, well this guy's back down. Going back down. Okay, you gotta be careful here with this other line. This is gonna be tricky. This is gonna get tricky in a second. All right, well, that's good for now. Little maneuvering there. Damn, another jack. And we both got jacks, so maybe there was like a school of them or something. Ooh, okay. Just careful not to tangle. I'm gonna see if I can get him up over my other line. Nice! Nice, get finessed. Nice fish on light tackle. Oh. Ugh. Jack. There we go. Number 3. Big ol' jack. Another one. On the super light tackle. See you later. All right, we are off the kayaks. I have not eaten anything other than a chicken yesterday. So basically last 24 hours, just because I came over here, didn't even have a tent. No food, nothing. So I'm gonna cook up some barracudas and we should have a delicious lunch. We're cleaning up right now. We got corbina we're about to eat. And this was all caught today. So Tosh got this one. Then we got a bag full of barracuda in there. So we're gonna fry these up, have it with some rice, and that's gonna be basically my first meal since I've been here. So how to catch it, but we're gonna chef it up. Yeah, baby.
Muere, mami.
The cat knows what's coming to it.
Ser magia.
That's delicious. Just not much beats freshly caught fish. Like this thing was swimming an hour and a half ago, 2 hours. So that is so good.